When we test the best drones, we're thinking about several things. Who's flying? What's their budget? And how are they going to shoot? What's best for one pilot won't necessarily be the right choice for you, which is why we've reviewed a whole range of drones in detail. From entry-level options to professional models, you'll find each entry in our roundup recommended for a particular type of flyer. Based on hundreds of hours of flight time, we think the best drone for most people right now is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Because it weighs less than 250. It's easier to fly legally. Yet it still offers a generous set of features, including reliable obstacle avoidance and a camera that produces excellent aerial images. It's also safe and straightforward for first-timers to fly, making it one of the best beginner drones. That said, we suggest reading to the end for a complete picture of what's out there. We've taken each drone out into the real world for extensive testing. Our experienced team checks everything from flight controls and safety features to shooting modes and image quality. We have listed the 6 best DJI Drone 2024, and their key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 6. DJI Avatar. The DJI Avatar is a groundbreaking drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights, literally and figuratively. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, the Avatar combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture stunning visuals from above. One of the standout features of the DJI Avatar is its compact, lightweight design, which enhances portability without sacrificing performance. This design allows for greater maneuverability, whether you're flying in tight spaces or navigating complex environments. The drone is equipped with DJI's renowned OcuSync technology, ensuring a reliable and stable video transmission with minimal latency, which is crucial for capturing high-quality footage in real time. The Avatar is also equipped with a high-definition camera capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second, along with 48 megapixel still photos. This level of image quality enables users to create professional-grade content, whether for personal use or commercial projects. The camera features a wide-angle lens, providing expansive views and making it ideal for landscape photography. In terms of flight capabilities, the DJI Avatar boasts impressive battery life, allowing for extended flight sessions. With intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoints, and Active Track, users can easily automate their filming processes, capturing dynamic shots with minimal effort. Additionally, the drone includes advanced safety features like obstacle avoidance sensors, enhancing user confidence and reducing the likelihood of crashes. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SE. The DJI Mini 2 SE represents a remarkable addition to the world of compact drones, combining ease of use with impressive capabilities that cater to both beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this drone is ultra-lightweight, making it not only highly portable but also exempt from many of the regulatory requirements that heavier drones face. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 SE is its ability to capture stunning 12 megapixel still photos and 2.7K video at 30 frames per second, providing impressive image quality for its size. The drone is equipped with a robust 3-axis gimbal that ensures steady footage, even in windy conditions or during complex maneuvers. This stability allows users to focus on creativity rather than worrying about shaky shots. DJI has also prioritized flight time with the Mini 2 SE, offering up to 31 minutes of flying on a single charge. This extended battery life means users can enjoy longer flight sessions, capturing more of the breathtaking landscapes and dynamic scenes around them without the frequent need to land and recharge. Moreover, the Mini 2 SE is designed with user-friendly features like quick shots, which allow you to easily execute cinematic shots with just a few taps on your smartphone or remote controller. With options like Drone, Circle, Helix, and Rocket, users can create professional-looking videos effortlessly. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a remarkable entry in the world of compact drones, designed to cater to both novice pilots and experienced aerial photographers. Weighing in at just 249 grams, This lightweight drone is incredibly portable, making it an ideal companion for travel and outdoor adventures. The Mini 3 boasts an impressive camera system that captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and high-resolution 12-megapixel stills, ensuring that every moment is documented with crystal clarity. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its enhanced flight time, offering up to 38 minutes of uninterrupted flying, thanks to its advanced battery technology. This extended battery life allows users to explore vast landscapes without the constant worry of needing to recharge. The drone also incorporates DJI's renowned quick transfer technology, enabling rapid file transfer to your smartphone or tablet for immediate editing and sharing. Additionally, the Mini 3 comes equipped with intelligent shooting modes such as Drone, Circle, and Helix, which help users capture professional quality footage with minimal effort. Its advanced obstacle avoidance sensors and GPS capability further enhance safety and stability during flight, making it accessible to those who may be new to drone piloting. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 combines quality, convenience, and cutting-edge technology into a compact design, solidifying its place as a top choice in the consumer drone market. Number 3. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 represents a significant advancement in the realm of consumer drones, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to cater to both amateur and professional filmmakers alike. With its sleek design and robust build quality, the Air 3 is not just a tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. It's a versatile companion for any outdoor adventure. Equipped with a dual camera system, the Air 3 allows users to switch between a high-resolution wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, offering unparalleled flexibility in framing shots. This feature allows you to capture breathtaking landscapes, detailed close-ups, and everything in between, all with a single drone. The ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second ensures that your videos will have the clarity and smoothness that today's audiences demand. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life means you can spend more time capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of returning to land for a recharge. Furthermore, with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, the Air 3 can navigate complex environments with ease, making it safer to fly in crowded areas or challenging terrains. The intelligent flight modes, such as active track and point of interest, enable users to create dynamic shots effortlessly. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the world of consumer drones, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver an exceptional aerial photography and videography experience. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is its dual camera system, which includes a high-resolution 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera capable of capturing stunning 20-megapixel stills and recording 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. This camera system not only offers remarkable color accuracy and dynamic range, but also provides the flexibility of multiple shooting modes, including ProRes and HLG for professional-grade video production. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life allows users to conduct longer flights and capture more footage without the need for frequent recharging. Additionally, the drone's improved obstacle avoidance system, equipped with advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithms, enhances safety during flight, making it easier for both beginners and experienced pilots to navigate complex environments. The Mavic 3 Pro also features a sleek and compact design, folding down for easy transport and storage. Its advanced transmission technology allows for a remarkable control range of up to 15 kilometers, ensuring that you can explore vast landscapes without losing connection. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable advancement in the world of compact drones, offering an impressive blend of portability, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, this drone is designed for easy transportation, making it an ideal companion for travel enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its enhanced camera system, which boasts a 1.3-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 48 megapixel still images and 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means that whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Mini 4 Pro delivers exceptional clarity and detail. Plus, with improved low-light performance, you can count on fantastic results even during twilight or nighttime shoots. In addition to its impressive imaging capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology, including upward, downward, and forward-facing sensors, allowing for safer flights in complex environments. This feature, combined with intelligent flight modes such as Focus Track and Master Shots, enables users to capture professional quality footage with ease. Battery life has also seen significant improvements, with up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, allowing you to explore and document your surroundings without constantly worrying about recharging.